Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Teams login issue on your Windows 11 computer. The first step is to run it as an administrator. So type in Teams in Windows search box and then make a right click on Microsoft Teams and then click on run as administrator. Now still you're facing the problem, then clear Microsoft Teams cache file. For this, go to this location, copy this, paste it in Windows search box and then click on this folder. The location is provided in the video description. Scroll down over here, you can see Teams folder. Make a right click on Teams and then click on delete. Now once this is deleted, open Microsoft Teams. Now before you do this, close Teams. Now the next step is to clear Microsoft Teams cache from Credential Manager. So type in Credential Manager in Windows search box and then click on Credential Manager. Now go to Windows Credentials, scroll down. Now delete the entry which start with Microsoft account user. So any entry which start with Microsoft account users, select it, click on it, click on Microsoft account user and then click on remove. Yes. Again, if you find any other entry which starts with Microsoft account users, remove it. Now restart your computer. Now after the system restart, open Microsoft Teams and then try to log in. Now the next step is to make sure internet is connected. So run this command. So make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet and then run this command. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Run all the command one by one. All the commands are provided in the video description. Now restart your computer. Close this and restart your computer. And after the system restart, open Microsoft Teams and then try to log in. Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Teams. First of all, uninstall Microsoft Teams. So type in Teams in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Teams and then click on uninstall. Uninstall. Now after the uninstall, restart your computer. Now after the system restart, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser and then click on download for desktop. Click on download for Windows 11. Now run this file. And then click on install. Now after the installation, log in and you should be able to log in. Now the next step is to use web version of Microsoft Teams. So in case the desktop version is not working, then you can use the web version. For this, copy this link and then you can click on sign in and sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. So one of the steps should definitely help you to get the team working on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.